Welcome to this video walkthrough of CleanMail, an all-in-one email management platform designed for anyone looking to reclaim control over their inbox. If you're someone with an overflowing inbox, or just tired of sifting through endless spam, CleanMail aims to simplify email like never before. We'll dive into its features, assess its benefits and limitations, and explore if it's worth the price. Starting with CleanMail's main function, it's built to help you sort, organize, and automate your inbox using a range of intuitive tools. The site's dashboard is straightforward, with easy navigation, making it accessible for beginners and experienced users alike. Key features include intelligent filters, powerful spam management, and customizable email sorting. CleanMail lets you categorize messages according to importance, frequency, or sender, saving you tons of time. One standout feature is CleanMail's Smart Filter, which automatically recognizes patterns in your email habits. This filter can detect priority messages and sort out unnecessary ones. You can customize these filters based on keywords or specific senders, helping you focus on what matters most. If you're frequently bombarded with subscription emails, CleanMail has an unsubscribe feature to remove yourself from multiple lists in just a few clicks. No hassle. However, CleanMail does have a few limitations. While it's highly effective for personal email accounts, some users report less seamless integration with business email systems. Additionally, while the Smart Filter is powerful, it may need minor tweaks for specific preferences, especially if your inbox is complex or heavily categorized already. CleanMail is not a free service, but it does offer a free trial, letting you test out its core features. After the trial, plans are available with monthly and annual billing options. Compared to other email tools, the subscription pricing is reasonable, given the powerful automation and organizational tools. It's a worthwhile investment for individuals or small businesses who want to maintain an organized inbox with minimal effort. One thing that sets CleanMail apart from other email managers is its collaboration with CleanMail, a tool known for excellent email organization and spam protection. CleanMail integrates seamlessly, enhancing CleanMail's ability to handle large inboxes and add an extra layer of customization for sorting and spam control. Check it out for yourself. Follow the link in the description to explore CleanMail's full feature set. It's the ideal email manager for anyone looking to optimize their inbox and work smarter, not harder. Remember to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Thanks for watching.